Namaste everyone. So now I'm going to show you two postures. One is the Marjariasana and the second one is the Ardha Shalabhasana. Those who have back problem, so these two postures can relieve the pain from your lower back. So let's start the practice with correct alignment, with correct breathing. Okay, now first start with the Marjariasana. So first place your palm in front of your mat. Open your fingers and then slowly open your knees. So first check your alignment. Your wrist joint and shoulders should be in a one line, and your knee and buttocks should be in a one line. Your wrist joint and your knees should be in a one line without bringing your buttocks forward and back. Keep your body stable. Now first, with inhale, lift your shoulders up, lift your chest up, press your palm, press your feet, press your knees and make an arch on your lower back. Lift your buttocks up, look front. If you have a neck problem, look to the front side without stretch. Give too much pressure on your neck. And then with exhale, slowly look towards the navel. Squeeze your shoulders, squeeze your buttocks maximum. Make a hunch on your back. Now two, again, inhale up, slowly this time. Head up, look up, or look to the front, slowly. Little bit stay in this position. And with exhale again, towards the navel, slowly. Make a hunch. Now inhale, look to the front, slowly. Then exhale, come to the Shashankasana. Open your knees, big toes together. Gently place your buttocks on your heel and lengthen your spine. Slowly try to touch your chest, chin on your mat. And then slowly again come back to the second one posture, Ardha Shalabhasana. So first, lay down on your navel, place your palm in front of the mat. Lay down on your navel. Now feet together, legs together, toe stretch outside. Now place your palm beside the buttock, slowly this time. If you can't lift your hand up, you can take the support of your hand also. If you can't lift your legs up, so first place your palm. And then slowly with inhale, lift your left leg up, slowly extend your leg back and up without twisting. Try to lift your thighs up, or you can take the support of your hand without lift your lower body up. Your chin should be on the mat. And exhale, slowly go downward. Two, inhale, lift your right leg up without twisting, without any force, gently. And exhale, slowly go down. Now third one, again inhale up without any force. Little bit stay at this position and exhale, slowly go downward. Again inhale up slowly and exhale, go down. Now with inhale, extend your arms to the front and your feet towards the back side. Lengthen your whole body, front and back. Then again exhale slowly. Come back to the Shashankasana. Again, lengthen spine with the exhale slowly. Now inhale, come back, sit in a Vajrasana. So you can perform this posture. You can more increase your round according to your comfortable. But don't give too much pressure. Just gently you need to perform this posture as a therapy. Thank you and Namaste.